We did it.
Hi, I'm Seli.
And I'm Alex. And tomorrow we're celebrating Thanksgiving for Seli's first time. Obviously it's a US tradition, so she hasn't done it yet. But we're gonna do it here in Mexico.
And the most important part of Thanksgiving is food. So now we're gonna go shopping. Now we're here, so it's time to get to work and hopefully we can find everything, including our turkey. They no longer have the big avocados that we really like, so now they just have these ones, which are pretty good. Oh, these are very cool. We found them. Look at how big these are. Like, seriously, like no joke. They're as big as your head.
She's happy. What are these?
Sweet potato. We're gonna try to do sweet potato casserole. So many plums. I love them.
Carrots?
We got our carrots. Sadly, I can't find Brussels sprouts. I really wanted to do Brussels sprouts, but maybe they have some frozen ones.
So we can't find our Brussels sprouts.
No.
You have to adjust while here in Mexico, even though we're in Walmart. They don't have a lot of things they probably have on the US side of Walmart. So no Brussels sprouts, no regular cheddar cheese. It's gonna be a makeshift Thanksgiving, but that's what it's all about. Trying your best.
Did you eat all of the marshmallows?
Some.
So now we need to find some brown sugar for the sweet potato.
So apparently here there's only these multicolored marshmallows. These pink ones. I'm looking for just the vanilla flavor. Found the turkey, I think. But no turkey legs so far. Just big turkey. What? We couldn't show you the rest because they didn't let us film anymore.
No, yeah, they made us stop filming. But we're done with shopping.
Alright, so we couldn't find the turkey yesterday in Walmart. So I'm going to a different store, Sorianna's local store in Mexico. I'm going for turkey legs, of course a staple, apple pie, some vanilla ice cream, and some green beans. It's gonna be a pretty basic Thanksgiving, but it is just the two of us, and I've never really cooked Thanksgiving meals, so we're trying to keep it simple. All right, see you soon. So we found the turkey, but no turkey legs, just giant turkeys. They didn't have any turkey legs in the store, so we got a whole turkey instead.
So as you saw, Alex has gotten a whole turkey instead of turkey legs, which kind of changes the whole plan. I'm just chopping some onions and carrots to put underneath. There is the sous chef. You want to show the big boy? That's the big boy. Okay, this kind of looks like it. Should I put a little bit more, or it's enough, you think, for the...
I think it's good.
I think it's good, yeah. I read that we don't need to wash the turkey, so Alex is gonna pat dry the turkey with the paper towel.
Okay.
While I make the herbs.
Turkey's dry. This is how you make a turkey with Seli and Alex.
Yeah, guys, don't follow this recipe. We're just waiting. Oh my gosh, maybe I put too much.
Turkey. Good thing it's only us trying this turkey. So yeah, this is the
Bye, turkey. So what are you doing right now?
Well, after looking online and seeing a lot of the turkeys the other way, we're gonna flip the turkey in the middle of its cooking, and it's looking okay.
Baby, there you go, baby. I'll hold this. Whee! Oh, it doesn't look very nice on that side. We put the potatoes to boil because we decided to make potato salad. And now I'm peeling the sweet potatoes, which we were shocked to find out are white. How's it going? We have these supposedly sweet potatoes boiling. Now we're going to make some seasoned rice because that was our choice of side dish. Now we have the turkey.
It's been about what, 3-ish hours, 4?
It's 6:52.
Oh, we started
Five.
at crazy.
The first side dish is kind of ready. We're doing the potato salad.
Wow, very nice.
Gonna mix it up. We are mashing the potatoes now.
They are sweet potatoes, we tasted them.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna do the butter. We have marshmallows, not mini marshmallows, they didn't have any here. Cinnamon, and that's about it what we need, right? Oh, and brown sugar.
It wouldn't be Thanksgiving without some football and the food that we did for our first time ever. What do we have here?
We have the sweet potato casserole. We have green beans with garlic. We have our potato salad. We got some avocado because we wouldn't be in Mexico if we didn't have avocado.
Okay.
Some seasoned rice. And the star of the night, the turkey.
A full turkey,
Onions,
carrots.
carrots.
We're in unison because we worked so hard on this turkey because we really thought we were going to do turkey legs first.
Yeah.
We did it.
High five.
Like butter. Today is always a great day to celebrate because you're usually around so many of your family members, and I just want you to know that I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving, and don't forget to say what you're thankful for. I'm very thankful that Seli is here with me in Mexico and that she gets to experience this great tradition. And since you've seen our food and it is a family celebration and we haven't been able to be with all of our family, we asked them to take some videos of the food they're eating.
Dinner at Mama Nina's house. First, we start with the seasoned rice with rice and beans. Okay. We move over to the stuffing.
Potato stuffing with raisins. Mmm, delicious.
And here we have the turkey. The turkey that has been seasoned with local spices and cooked to perfection. Next, we have the potato salad.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Very delicious. And next, we have coleslaw. Okay, and the coleslaw you'll see has raisins in it. And for those who don't like raisins, too bad, Narisa. Okay, and finally, imported from St. Croix, from Miss Seli, the infamous
Carrot cake. Eee, and
What
you
dessert?
can see a slice is gone.
Yes.
And it's delicious.